package from Sterling Teak. Ernie at Sterling Teak sent me my Cool Raiders chains a few weeks ago. So I received an email from him that he was going to send me something top secret. So I picked it up this morning, so we're going to check it out and see what it is. We got a big package. And we got something in this one. Oh wow, this is cool. Ernie, this is really good top secret. Check that out. Now that is cool. Duntov 67. Wow. Oh, I love that. I was not expecting that. So if you guys haven't seen his work, go to his Instagram page. I'll put the link, but it's Sterling Teak on there. That way you could see what he does. All kinds of stuff. Now that is nice. Love that. Now I'm curious to see what's in this. Oh wow, look at that. I see Al Davis on here. Trying to be careful, I don't want to break it. Oh, it looks like it's the street sign. If you do order something from them, you can see they package everything really well. You guys can watch me struggle on the video how to open it. This is cool. It looks, I won't have to worry about, not that I condone it, but when they have the sign, real sign up, I'll already have mine. I won't have to worry about anyone taking anything. That's cool. I already got my own sign. L. Davis Way. And you can see they even have the hook so you can hang it. Well, I'm going to be heading out to the stadium now to make the video, so I'm going to bring this sign with me so I get a picture over there with it. All right, Ernie, you really outdid yourself. This is great. I mean, the quality of this stuff is really good. So if anyone's looking to get your bling for the Raiders games, check out Sterling Teak. I'll have a link so you could see where you get them at. All right, Ernie, thanks a lot.
Hello, Raider Nation. This is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. It is Monday, June 8th. I'm way down on this would be the southeast corner. So I'm right by where they just, you can see here, this is the lot they just paved last week. See, it's still really windy here. You can see the flag blowing pretty hard. But they're moving quick. They got they even have all the light poles mounted already. And then they're getting ready to, all the way down this way, I don't know why you can see it, they're gonna get ready. You can see the decorative rock and stuff over there. So on this side, we got Yesco here right now. You can see some of their trucks, and they're putting up the signs for the different lots. So this one they're working on right now is lot G. You can see it right there. Then we got lot F, is this one right next to it, which makes sense. So we got lot F. So this is right along D. Martin here. You can CD Mart. So I noticed they got another one of these directory signs. So I want to see if we'd be able to read what it says down on this end. So again, they got the cool, the logo of the stadium's pretty neat. So this is the southeast entry. Okay, so we got the Caesars Rewards East VIP entry, Ticketmaster box office. So now I do not know if they're gonna have a different box office or if that's the one that they built out of the modular building. Then the Ford North entry and then Raider image. So yeah, I guess it's just gonna have the drive. You'll be able to just follow it down. You can see the arrow. So that road there is the one that'll take you right along. I guess you'll just follow it around and it'll take you past the video screen. They have a drive that goes down that side. That's looking pretty good. Okay, we're gonna walk down. Looks like they're putting up a big billboard. So we're gonna go check that one out. Alright, so we can see they're putting up some kind of billboard here. You can see the post is in already. Then they're building the actual billboard structure. I don't know if this is going to be like a video one or just the regular billboard. Might not be a video one, just for the fact right there is going to be the main video screen here. So I guess we'll just wait and see as they're putting it up. The drive-in. This says it's gate 4. And this is the billboard they're building right here. Alright, so we're getting closer to the middle of the east side. And you can see there's a lot in front. Last time I walked down this road, we were getting sandblasted from the big pile of dirt they had here. So they got this whole thing cleaned up pretty good. You can get a good view of this. I'm assuming it's going to be like a walkway where they have the arch on top there. You can see how they're putting all the framing on it now. So it appears like it'll be some kind of walkway just to get in from that lot G that they're putting in down that way, back behind that water truck. And then that goes right along the filtrate areas down there also. Look down that way, you can see they're getting a lot more of the lights in. Okay, we got the video screen area right here. So you can see they haven't started putting anything on there yet. But if we look over here, they're starting to get all these light poles in. And then in the planter box area, we look down that way, we can see they got fencing going in there, and then they're also getting some of the trees in. And if we look down that way, that's all the lot. Down this road down there, that's Russell Road up there. All of them that way. Alright, we're gonna try to zoom in. Remember, they were like inspecting all this structure here. We're gonna see if we can see what that says. It doesn't say anything. It looks like they just sealed it up or did something with valves. But on this left side of the screen, you don't see all the markings like they had on that right side. So I'm not sure if they inspected this side yet, or if maybe they did and they already like cleaned it off. So you see they have some like blue tape and stuff there. Oh no, it does say stuff on there. So I'm going to go back and look at the right side of it and see if we see any more. So this one they got all in this green. I would be thinking they're going to be starting putting this board up soon. Trying to see what's in these boxes here. I don't know if this is something for the video screen or not. Might be the video mesh stuff here, because it does say mesh on there. I could be totally wrong, but they do have it all sitting over here in front of the video screen area. So we might be looking at some of the video screen stuff. I don't know what that is either. That I would say is they're starting to get the parts in to start putting that video mesh in. It's called media mesh is what I'm pretty sure it was called. It's gonna look pretty good. Alright, we're gonna go back to the car. We're gonna go to the north side and see what they're doing with that sign. They did take the Allegiant part down off of the sign, so pretty good. Well, my trusty assistant said you could see us in the reflection. So we're gonna look over here. We're somewhere in here. There we are. Hello everybody. So that potential, that is the media mesh. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on these other boxes. They got the crates and then they got stuff in this regular box. Of course, we got the jackhammer running as we're doing this. Yeah, so that one says Michigan. Yep. That would be my guess. Alright, I'm now on L. Davis Way. So this is looking straight ahead. As you can see, they are not working on these lanai doors anymore. If you look through the glass, you can see the torch right there. We're still working on this front area. You can see them down here. They're putting the finish and stuff on all around by the Raiders image store. And you could also see they got the silver and black tiles they put on those. Pretty sure these are going to be planters. This area right here should say the Raider image right above it. That's what that's going to be. And you can see they got these light poles here. These are a little different than in the parking lot, where these ones are more like spotlights. If we look, they're still putting the forms up for the steps over here. Okay, I'm now on Dean Martin right by L. Davis. So as you can see, they are, look, they took that, they were starting to put the Allegiant up there and it's gone. Not sure why, but when they had it mounted, the way the G went down below, it was covering that white stripe. Not sure if it's related to that. We'll see when they remount it. You can also see they have there's some of the, where to mount the brackets. We got some bracket mounts. So then over here we got all the white stripes completed all the way down. So all the lighting itself on the outside, that seems like it's completely finished. I'm not sure about, let's look at this welcome to Allegiant Stadium. It's hard to tell on my viewfinder, but it looks like they got the finished, looks like they got the cover on that also. Can't tell 100%, but I would guess yes. Alright, you can hear all this noise. Remember this big piece of like sewer pipe over there they had? So you can see that there, and they got the big drill. So you can see how they're going to stand it up. It seems like it's going to be a, you know, for support for the base. I would guess a giant sign. They got to have like a video marquee sign somewhere out here. So that's going to be my guess, is that one. We're going to try to walk a little closer. I don't know how far we can get over there. It looks like they might have it blocked off.
Whoa!
We're like in a dust devil. This is crazy. We just got hit by a dust devil. Just got sandblasted. Wow, you can see all the stuff flying around up there. So that was a Las Vegas tornado. We just got hit by a major dust devil. Look at it down there. I gotta check myself. Just got sandblasted big time. It was crazy. But it didn't blow the stadium over, so we're good. Alright, so this is the corner of, I'm by D. Martin and L. Davis. I just never noticed they had this, you can see this box up in there in that planter area. Then I want to swing over. All these are supposed to be the legacy bricks. Can't tell if it has any writing on it anywhere. I know it's supposed to be mapped out the way they're going to have it. Once they place your brick, they'll tell you where it's located. Somehow they got to have them all like mapped out. But those are supposed to be the legacy bricks. That's what I was told by someone that lives up where they make them. I don't know if he worked there or not, but they're making them in Idaho. Okay, we're back on the east side. I forgot to show it when we were over there earlier. You look up this raised panel, all the way up here. There is no more dented panels. Well, the main one, I can see just a reflection, a teeny bit of one. So right there, it's still got that little dent there, but it had like the bigger race panel that was really dented. That is fixed. So you can hear all the noise. So yeah, they got the big drill. It's making the hole. They're drilling a hole as wide as that big silver pipe. So I would guess that's going to be a base for like a sign. So again, I'd like to thank Sterling Teak for sending me my Duntov 67 chain, as well as the L. Davis Way sign. So if you want to check them out, go to Sterling Teak on Instagram and you can see all the different work they do. Very, very good quality. And then if you're not subscribed to my channel on Instagram, it's Duntov 67. So go ahead and you can follow me, and I put pictures just from here in the headquarters. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, I do have mugs and shirts that I have for sale. They're underneath the description on the video. So that would be appreciated. So Raider Nation, everybody stay safe, and thanks for watching.